Hello, this is question 12 on your November 2021 mechanics paper from AQA. So it's a mechanics paper, not pure paper. But you have many vector questions in mechanics. So a particle P lies at rest on a smooth horizontal table, constant resultant force F, and when they write in capital letters is the vector, is applied to P. As a result, P moves in a straight line with constant acceleration. This is the vector acceleration, so that the magnitude of the acceleration is 10. So we have the vector acceleration, it's just finding the magnitude. Yeah, so my vector is 8, 6. This is the acceleration. So the magnitude is going to be square root of the components squared. So it's square root of 100, which is 10. So that's the first one, quite straightforward. Then B, find the speed of P after 3 seconds. I have the acceleration, I need to find speed, I know lies at rest, so initial velocity is 0, I know the time, so it's going to be a Subat question. So I can write Subat. They don't ask, and I don't know the displacement. Initial velocity is 0 because it starts from rest. They ask me final velocity. Acceleration is 10 and time is 3. So I get a Subat equation without S, which is V is U plus AT. You have the list of Subat equations in the formula booklet. V is U, which is 0, A 10 times 3 is 30 meters per second. That's the velocity after 3 seconds. And then C says, given that the vector force is to 1.5, find the mass of P. So remember the connection between the force, acceleration, and the mass is this one. So the force is, resultant force is mass acceleration. I can use with vectors, force and acceleration of vectors, or just with the magnitudes. I know I need to find this M. I know the acceleration, so I can find the magnitude of this force, substitute here, and I can find M. Yeah. So the magnitude of the force is going to be square root of the components square. So 2 squared plus 1.5 squared, 2 squared plus 1.5 squared. This is 7.5, which means if I go to the equation, I have 7.5 is going to be the mass times acceleration, which is 10, the magnitude of the acceleration, so that means the mass, sorry, this is 2.5, not 7.5, 2.5. That means the mass is 0.25 kilograms. Yeah? So 2.5 divided by 10. 2.5 divided by 10. And that's it. That's all with this question. It's very, very quick question.